Hey guys, so I'm going to put a really quick video together on how to find out what firmware version you're running if you are trying to flash your flight controller and you can't seem to get to the website that would have it, or you can't find the information. So in this case, what I'm going to do here, let me turn this around here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a HDLRC flight controller, which is an F4 flight controller, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the computer, and you'll be able to see when I turn this around. All right, so I've got Betaflight loaded up, so I'm just going to plug the USB port in, that's it. And you're going to see that I think my COM port's going to go to 18. Let me verify here, and it should update here in just a second on the top. Okay, so it is 18. So I'm going to go ahead and click connect. Now, assuming you can get into this, right? If you can get into this, then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the CLI box. Sorry, the CLI tab. And in the text box down here, you're just going to type the word version. When you do, you're going to see this is your firmware version that's sitting on the board right now. And then this is the actual version number, and then this is the release date of that version, okay? So if you were checking this out, I would know that I need to go to the flash screen, and I need to look for Omnibus F4, and then I'm gonna try to find something newer than 3.2. So here, I'll show you how to do that real quick. I'm just gonna go ahead and type exit here and get out of this screen, and I will get to the firmware flasher. And then from here, I'll be able to go to Omnibus F4. You're going to have a ton of choices. Make sure you pick the right one. So Omnibus F4. And then you can find, I believe I had 3.2 or something. It was in September. So let me see. Somewhere around here, I guess. I don't know. But the newest one is 3.5.1. So I would click that one. And I think on this board, I'm going to do a full chip erase. And I'll click load the firmware. And then I'm going to click to flash the firmware, and what's going to happen here on this board is it's going to restart in DFU mode, but I'm doing something a little different. So you're going to see the COM port pop back up here, and then when I go ahead and click firmware, now some of you will automatically switch to DFU. In my case, if I click flash again, it's going to go to DFU. So right now I'm flashing the board, and it's going to erase it first because I chose that option at the top right here. And then it's going to go ahead and start flashing it, and you're going to see that right here. So let it erase. And then we're going to go ahead and flash it, and then you'll know when you're done, because what we'll do next is we'll log right back in, and we'll go to the version option again, and from there we can see that the board actually flashed. So just give it 1 second, we'll be good to go. Now, sorry, let me interject here that, here I can flip this around. So just keep in mind though that while this does work for boards that you can actually access in Betaflight, if you've bricked your board, it's a little bit different. That meaning you basically locked yourself out. There are ways to get in a brick board, and I'll be more than happy to put a video together for you on that one. At the end of this video, or scroll in the description, you're going to see a way to get a hold of me. It's Tarek at CycloneFPV.com. Just go ahead and shoot me an email if you've bricked yourself out of your board. I can remote into your computer, and I can walk you through how to fix it, okay? So let's get back to our board now. And okay, so it says successful. So if I click connect now, and I go to my CLI, and I type version, now you're going to see that my version was upgraded to 3.5.1, and that was September 2018. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. So again, I'm going to just type exit to get out, and there's a little delay when you type exit. You can always just click disconnect, and then you'd be out. Okay, all right, so that's pretty much it. I hope that helps. A real quick video for you guys, and I'm going to put some more together. If you need anything, shoot me an email. Talk to you later. Bye.